Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the topic differentiation. Here we have the derivative of a function at a point x is equals to a. F prime a is equals to limit when x approaching a for the function fx minus fa over x minus a. F is said to be differentiable or has a derivative if f prime a exists. Here is an example. Given the function fx, we have a piecewise function. Find the value of f prime 1. So before we start the discussion, here we have a formula. F prime a is equals to limits when x approaching a for the function fx minus fa over x minus a. Next, we are going to illustrate the situation or the function in the form of number line. So for the first function, x is less than or equals to 1, meaning that for the left hand side, so the function would be 2x minus 1. The next one will be x greater than 1. So the function will be x squared on the right. So now let's begin the discussion. Find the value of f prime 1. So limits when x approaching 1 for the left. So the function of fx would be 2x minus 1 minus f1. So in this part, we are going to apply the function 2x minus 1 because if the value is 1, then the function would be the left hand side. So 2 multiplied with 1, we have 2 minus 1. So meaning that our answer will be minus 1 over x minus 1. So if we simplify the situation, limit when x approaching 1 from the left, we have 2x minus 2 over x minus 1. Next, I'm going to factorize the situation where we will have 2 bracket x minus 1 over x minus 1. Finally, limits when x approaching 1 from the left, the value will be 2. So the answer will be approaching 2 when x approaching 1 from the left. Next, we are going to begin the discussion for the right. So limits when x approaching 1 from the right. For the function fx would be x squared. For the f1, it will be equals to 1. So the value will be minus 1 over x minus 1. Next, if we substitute the value, we will obtain 0 over 0, which is indeterminate form. So in this part, I'm going to factorize the situation and we will have limits when x approaching 1 from the right, x minus 1, x plus 1 over x minus 1. So after we simplify the situation, we will have limit when x approaching 1 from the right, x plus 1. And we will have approaching value 2. Since the limit when x approaching 1 from the left for the function fx minus 1 over x minus 1 is equals to limits when x approaching 1 from the right for the function fx minus 1 over x minus 1. So limit for the left and limit for the right is the same, which is equals to 2. So meaning that fx is differentiable at x equals to 1. Or we can say f prime 1 is equals to 2. So here we are, and thanks for watching.